Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am gonna do a handbag review of the Gucci Soho Disco bag. I am actually borrowing this one from Cocoon Club, which I'll explain a little later in the video. This is not sponsored in any way. I've paid for this myself. But unfortunately, Gucci discontinued this bag in 2003, and they have a very similar one out now, which I'll leave linked down below, called the Blondie bag. But I still want to review it because I've been loving borrowing this bag. So in this video, I'm gonna give you kind of a full look around and inside the bag, show you how many things it fits, and I'll finish the video with a little review of would I buy this bag from a pre-loved site. So if that sounds good, let's get into the video. All right, so as mentioned, this is what the Gucci Soho Disco bag looks like. This is in black, and it's a really good size bag that fits a lot. So it's a very simple, like, camera style bag. So on the front, you've got the interlocking double G kind of Gucci logo. You've got a zip around with this kind of really lovely tassel here. There's no kind of logo branding on the tassel, just some little studs here. And then the back of the bag is just solid leather. And the same thing, just a very simple bag. And it also comes with a crossbody strap, and I will show with you after I show what the bag fits inside. I will try it on so you can see what it looks like on someone. But yeah, in terms of the interior of the bag, so we just have the simple zipper here, and then the inside of the bag, I will turn my camera angle around so you can get a better view, but let's just start here and then we'll switch the camera angle up. So on the back here, you've got a little pocket, and the pocket itself, which I'll pan in on, just says Gucci, made in Italy, and there is a serial number for the bag on the back. There's actually 2 different serial numbers. I have no idea why. And then on this one here, there's another kind of unbranded pocket. You can fit things like a credit card, lipstick, kind of small things in there. And then there is another little kind of Gucci black tag in the bottom, but it's basically just, there's a lot of room to pack stuff in, which is what I've really liked about this bag. So let me do a little view inside for you. All right, dun, da, da, da. So if you want a better look, so obviously this is a pre-loved bag, so it's not perfect inside, but still in really great condition. So as mentioned, there is a bigger pocket here where you could put your cards, lipsticks, lip gloss, that kind of thing. And there also is one on this side, which I think is slightly smaller. Another little compartment in there. But yeah, basically just the interior looks like more of like a heavy duty kind of canvasy style print. Sorry, the focus is a little wonky. There we go. And yeah, I like that the square nature of this bag means it can fit a lot. It can fit a lot. So let me show you what it can fit inside. Okay, so I've just kind of pulled out the bag I was using earlier today, which is my Longchamp backpack, which I really should do a review of. Leave a comment down below if you want me to do one of that, because I love this mini backpack. But let me just pull out a few of the things that I have in there. So I've got like water, wallet, sunglasses. I mean, wishful thinking with the weather today. I'm actually filming this during the daylight hours, and it's not very light out. Umbrella, power bank. So let's do some combinations of what it could fit. I've also got my house keys over here, and a little bit of like lip gloss, and I've got my phone over here. So yeah, let's see what it can fit. Oh yeah, where are my earbuds? Oh, my little earbuds are in my coat pocket, but let me grab them. All right. Mission complete for the earbuds. Okay, so with the bag here, what can we fit? Let's start with, okay, so I live in London, and even when it says it's not gonna rain, it might rain. So I think first rule of survival in London is a mini umbrella, and this is the totes one that I buy from Boots. I can leave it linked down below, but it fits in even smaller handbags, which makes it great. So it fits really easily in the bottom there. I'm gonna pop my wallet in next because that's important. I'm also gonna pop my phone in there. Let's see. And then we obviously need our keys to our house, some lip gloss, earbuds. So in terms of what that's fitting, I will do another pan down. Pretty much covered. We can really safely and easily zip it. And then I could fit my sunglasses in for good measure because, you know, it's like the rule of thumb is when you don't pack an umbrella, it will rain. And when you don't pack your sunglasses, you will be in like bright, blaring sun. Welcome to why I love living in London. Okay, so we can fit all of that in here comfortably. So not too bad. Now, obviously, if you were willing to live a little bit dangerously, thought I would do, this is the Chili's 260 milliliter bottle. So let's do a little, I'll show you. Let's do a little bit more of what else it can fit. And actually, let me pan down and show you the inside first. All right, dun, da, da, da. So as you can see here, all of my things fit really comfortably in the bag. And honestly, if you wanted to save space, you could just put your cards in one of the card pockets, all that kind of good stuff. So there actually would be a little bit extra room, but I don't think, for example, don't want to ruin the bag, but we actually could just fit the Chili's bottle in and probably still zip it up, but I would be a little nervous to do that because I think it might ruin the bag. Or we could take my huge brick of a power bank and nope, wouldn't fit in. So we'd have to Jenga around a little bit, but I think if you replaced the umbrella, you could fit in the Chili's water bottle, and if you decanted the wallet, you could fit in the power bank. So not too bad. It really does. I think this is why I've been loving this bag. Oh, look, you can see me in the sunglasses. Yeah, so this is why I've really been loving this bag as an everyday bag, because it really does fit so much. To be fair, it's a little bit smaller than I would love for proper everyday bag because it, as you saw, it's a little bit tough to fit the water bottle in, which I really always need a water bottle and maybe a power bank. So I would, in theory, maybe love something slightly larger. But I actually did travel with this bag back to the US for Christmas, and I actually loved having it crossbody when I wore it over my coat at the airport, because I tucked like my wallet, my passport, and that was just awesome to have that. I think I also put this in there. So just having those things kind of grab and go really made my travel amazing. So something like this, and even though I did have my Longchamp tote bag and my wheelie kind of hand luggage suitcase, I find that airlines, because this bag looks small enough, aren't really gonna give you a hard time. And under the seat on the airplane, I still could fit my Longchamp and this bag comfortably. So this was really, really great for travel, and I'd say like average to good for every day, only because I would love to have a water bottle with me at all times. I'm just such a special one. I think probably for 99% of you, you're not gonna care about that. You're just gonna love having, you know, your wallet, your sunglasses, your keys, you know, an umbrella maybe. And if you're obviously just hopping out of your car into something, you could fit the water bottle in. So there you go. But yeah, let me show you what it looks like crossbody, and then we will wrap this up. All right, so for reference, I am 5'7", and this is kind of how the bag sits on me. So there isn't an adjustable strap, unfortunately, but it does kind of sit on me really nicely, kind of like right in that hip front jean pocket area. And the bag is full. I haven't unpacked it yet, so you can see what it looks like full. It really retains its shape pretty nicely, and when you walk, you know, the little what is it, the zipper tassel kind of flicks around a little bit. So how I usually would wear it would be kind of like this, or maybe like this. And yeah, I think it's such a like stylish, simple, comfortable bag. It does work for day or for night. I have worn this with a dress on some evenings out, and if I can actually find that clip, I will drop that in there as well so you can see what it looks like with the dress. But yeah, this is just me at home in my slippers and my jeans, and this would be something where I put on my knee-high boots, I put on my nice coat, and I'm ready to go like for brunch with the girls or for like a long walk around London. And I also could put on like a cute dress and like ankle booties and it's still, I think it goes really nicely from day to night. All right, so I mentioned at the beginning of the video that this is the Gucci Soho Disco bag in small and that I am borrowing it from Cocoon Club in London. What is Cocoon Club, you might be wondering? So it is a handbag rental company for luxury handbags. I do pay a subscription fee, and what that means is I do like the most premium option where I get 6 swaps in a 3-month period. So if I just want something for an event, like say I want it for a couple days, I can do that. If I want something for a full, you get between 1 and 3 months maximum per bag. This is a 1-month bag. But yeah, I've actually kept it almost the entire month because I've just found it so useful in my everyday, between traveling back to the US with it for Christmas, you know, going out for brunches, going out in the evening. It's just been a multitasking wonder. And basically with Cocoon Club, you just kind of go on the website, you select your swaps, and it's been awesome. I'll leave it linked down below. They're not paying me, I'm not working with them officially, just figure, you know, we ladies have to share some tips here. So in terms of, I mentioned as well, really, I've been loving this bag, so I immediately wanted to go look at, like, could I buy it? That was part of the reason of doing Cocoon Club, was let me wear test a bag for a couple weeks to a month and see if I like it enough to add it to my wish list. And I really love it. So yes, I would love to buy this bag, but now they've changed the design of the G's a little bit. It's called I think it's like the Gucci Blondie bag. And I'm not as much of a fan of the new design, but it is very, very similar. So never say never. I think I just need to get used to change. So I'll leave those linked down below so you can check out the brand new ones. But they also have this bag for sale on a lot of reseller sites. Now, obviously, you know, do your research, find reseller sites that you trust, but there are, you know, a bunch of these for sale on reseller sites. So yeah, so that kind of concludes this video of the Gucci Soho Disco in small. I love the bag. I would repurchase it, and I would definitely borrow it again from Cocoon Club. But if there are any questions that I haven't answered that you would like to get my opinion on, please leave a comment down below. And if you liked this video and found it helpful, please leave a comment and let me know. That really means the world to me, and it shows me if you want me to keep doing these handbag reviews. And then last but not least, I also do videos on YouTube of my travels, London vlogs, so hotel reviews. So I would really love it if you hit that subscribe button and joined me on this wonderful YouTube journey. Subscribing is completely free. It just means that you see my videos when you pop back on YouTube. So thanks again for tuning in, and I will see you soon.